Oh, it's a new day. Oh, it's a new day. Oh, it's a new day, and you invited.
What's up, Bob Perfect here from Durban Is Yours. We're at Muzi's album launch for Afrovision. We're chilling here with Sean Ross, aka Miss You. What do you think of this album, man?
Yeah, dude, that was a world of sound. It's incredible to have this coming out of Durban. I think that's like my favorite thing at the moment. It's like we have sounds like this coming out of here, and this is international standard.
So does this album inspire you? Does Muzi inspire you, and how?
Well, yeah, I love that. Like this was like I had to come to events. Like, you just had to be here for this. I think like the DIY side of it is like the craziest part. That you didn't have to go into some major studio to make this happen. Like this is like his creation, and yeah, it's like it is crazy inspiring to like know that it's out there.
Hello, how are you? Hello. What are your names first? Like, I haven't even introduced myself, but hello. What's your name?
Zoe. My name is Zoe. Leto. Yeah.
And what brings you to Muzi's album launch? How do you know Muzi? Have you heard of him before? Did you not know about him? Did you just come? How does this work?
Instagram. It was Instagram, and I heard his things. He's good. Like his work is great. So I thought.
So you just.
I'm here.
So you're just a fan, like you don't even know him personally, like you just...
Just a fan. Well, she introduced me to his music and I was like a fan instantly, his music is just amazing. I've never met him in person, this was my first time, but he's just amazing.
Life, able to have no worries, able to have no worries. Oh, it's a new day. Oh, it's a new day.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with Tommy Dlamini, and we are here at Muzi's Afrovision album launch at the Warehouse. What brings you here? Like, how do you know Muzi, the music, what's the vibe?
Yeah, man, I actually know Muzi through, this another radio station. And
glad you didn't mention that.
Yeah, I know him through another radio station. I heard some of his music. I saw a bit of his bio, like what he's been doing, and it's some awesome stuff, man. He's a proper international person. He's worked with like so many great freaking artists that I look up to as well. So, and hearing his sound, I'm like, this is some futuristic stuff. I've got to be there.
Track 10,